allows me to continue my task for the day, and she's really secure. That way I'm able to do whatever I need to do and not feel like I'm neglecting her. So I love it.
They have a great quality wrap. It's nice and stretchy, so your baby can fit in here nice and snug without being too tight, and also really easy to put on. You also are hands-free, which is really convenient.
Now I purchased this to carry around my babies, mainly because of how simple and easy it is. You literally just slip it on, and then you put your baby in here. It's very comfortable. I absolutely love it.